Take a moment to find a quiet and comfortable space. Sit or lie down. Whatever feels best for you. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply, filling your lungs completely, and exhale, letting go of any tension. One more time, breathe in deeply. As you breathe out, feel your body begin to relax. Bring your attention to your body. Notice the points where you're supported your feet on the ground, your back against the chair, or the surface beneath you. Feel a sense of grounding here. You are safe, supported, and exactly where you need to be. Now begin to soften any areas of tension. Relax your shoulders, unclench your jaw, and let your hands rest naturally. Allow your face to feel soft. Shift your focus to your breath. Notice the gentle rhythm of air entering and leaving your body. No need to change it, just observe. Feel the coolness of the air as you breathe in and its warmth as you exhale. As you continue to breathe, imagine a warm, golden light filling your body with each inhale. This light brings calmness, clarity, and peace. And as you exhale, imagine releasing any stress, tension, or heaviness. Let it drift away. Now bring to mind a word or feeling you'd like to focus on today. It could be peace, gratitude, confidence, or simply calm. Repeat this word silently in your mind with each inhale, letting it settle deep within you. Feel this energy expand with every breath. Spreading warmth and positivity throughout your body. Take a moment to appreciate this stillness you've created. You've given yourself the gift of presence. When you're ready, gently bring awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take one last deep breath in and slowly let it out. Open your eyes, feeling refreshed, grounded, and ready for the rest of your day. You've just completed your 5-minute meditation. Thank you for showing up for yourself today.